Hello friends, this is my last video in series of learning of numerology. In this video I am going to tell you about the master numbers. In numerology, all the numbers are normally reduced to a single number for making the prediction except the three numbers, that is number 11, 22 and 33, because these three numbers are known to be as a master number because they are having some special vibration and effects on the person having these numbers in his date of birth. The master number may be as a driver number, as a conductor number, an expression number, soul urge number and the personality number. Except these numbers, other number cannot be said to be a master number even if their total comes to 11, 22 or 33. Now first of all we will discuss about number 11, master number 11, which denotes the visionary and intuitive powers of a person. If any person having this number, that is number 11, in his date of birth in any manner as explained above, he possesses an special intuition power which can be said to be an extraordinary power in the said person. Such person has such a vision or intuition that he can read the subconscious and the feeling of others without asking anything to him. This person knows that what is going on or what is going to be happen in future, provided that the said person follows such vision. It is a master guide, advisor, and having the vision to solve the problems of others. But on the other hand, a person having the master number 11 have some weakness with him. These persons are always need some support and motivation from outside to get successful because they remain some confusion or unconfident and suffer like a phobia in taking initiative in even in the field of which they are the master. They have been born in duality and inner conflict with the self. Master number 22 is known as a builder or architect. Number 22 is the most powerful number than the others. Such persons have power to convert their ambitions into reality. They have great ideas, plans, and they can serve the world in a practical manner. But like number 11, 22 is also having some weaknesses or the side effects. In the early age of a person having master number 22, they feel some pressure and conflict with the thoughts that to do or not to do. They always feel difficult to make a decision in a strong manner. Master number 33, known as a master teacher, it is the powerful number as it is the combination of master number 11 and 22. The person having the master number 33 in their core are very spiritual, calm, and easy in all the circumstances. Sorry. In all the circumstances, they have power to handle anything, anywhere, and in any situation or circumstances. So, in this video, I told about some information, basic information about the master numbers, but they need to be more study on them. I am saying that the foregoing videos I have given, these are the basic formulas of the numerology for the purpose of learning it. Remember, it is merely a beginning for learning the numerology. One have to learn his own efforts, keeping in mind all these aspects of numerology. Numerology is a interpretation according to the elements of every number. In order to bring perfection in prediction, the deep study, understanding, and interpreting of the elements of the numbers and the planets are needed. That is all for today. I will come again soon with some other knowledge and topic in numerology. Thank you very much.